In this tutorial, we will learn how to set a stop loss in Interactive Brokers. Setting a stop loss is essential for managing risk in your trading strategy. A stop loss order helps to protect your investment by automatically selling a security when it reaches a certain price. Let's go through the steps to set this up in your Interactive Brokers account. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you are in the trading platform, locate the Order Entry panel. This is where you can place orders for buying or selling securities. To set a stop loss, you need to select the security you want to trade. Enter the ticker symbol in the appropriate field and choose the correct quantity of shares you wish to set a stop loss for. Next, look for the Order Type drop-down menu. Here, select Stop from the list of order types. After selecting Stop, you will need to specify the stop price. This is the price at which you want your stop loss order to activate. You can place the stop price at a level that reflects the maximum loss you are willing to accept. It is usually set below the current market price for a long position. Finally, review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the quantity and stop price. Once you are satisfied with the details, click on the Submit button to place your stop loss order. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your stop loss has been successfully set. Congratulations, you have now set a stop loss in Interactive Brokers, which can help safeguard your investment and manage your trading risk effectively.